Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Informant. If you are new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, education, placement drives and many more. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do hit that red button so that you get latest notifications first on your screen. So as you all know, our today's video is about Accenture work from home reimbursement claim. So in this video, we'll be discussing in detail how to claim your Accenture work from home reimbursement and what is the eligibility criteria to claim it, what all things you can buy, each and everything. So please stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss any important updates. So before starting the video, I'd like to remind you that we have made many videos on Accenture, Cognizant and various other companies. So if you have any doubts, you can check out our YouTube channel. And if you want any topic, new video on any new topic, you can drop down in the comment section. We'll surely get back to it soon. So let's start our today's video. First of all, things you can buy from the work from home reimbursement. So as you can see, there are two types of things you can buy. First one is furniture, second is IT equipment. So in furnitures, as you can see, you can buy chairs, desktop tables or foldable tables, laptop raisers, leg resting tool or footrest, arm, palm, backrest cushions, or privacy dividers. So as you can see, you have or option here where desk tables or foldable desk. So you cannot buy both desk tables and foldable desk. Where you have the slash that is or option, you can buy only one thing from that corner, and you can buy multiple items. For example, you can buy a desk table as well as chair, and coming to the IT equipments, you can buy a Bluetooth, the headphone, earbud, so wireless mouse or keyboard, Wi-Fi boosters, power bank. So there are a number of things you can buy over here. But make sure you buy from this list itself. You cannot buy something outside of this list. So you make sure you buy from this list. So you can just pause the video and take a screenshot of this so that you can get idea what things you can buy. So I hope you're clear with this. So now let's move to the next slide. So as you can see, eligibility criteria to claim. So first of all, what should be the eligibility criteria to claim? First condition is the bill must be in your name. So you cannot have the bill, the purchase which you're making, you make sure that you make a bill in your name. If you're, for example, if you're purchasing from online, that is from Flipkart or Amazon or any other site, you make sure that you give your name so that you'll get invoice in your name. And bill must have a valid GST number of seller or vendor. So the physical bills without GST numbers are not accepted. So you need to have a valid GST number on the bill. Next is proof of payment must be in your name and should be digital payments only. So you cannot buy things in cash. You need to pay digitally. That is through UPI, or you can pay to your debit or credit card. So make sure you have the proof of payment, that is digital payment, not cash. Last point is same, cash payments are not accepted. So I hope these 4 points are clear. So if you miss any of these 4 points, you will not be getting your 18,000 claim. So make sure that you have all these 4 points done right. So let's move to the next slide. So the most asked questions in this thing is, what if you have bill more than 18,000? So it's simple. Say example, if you have bill of 20 or 22,000, you'll not be getting 22,000. You'll be getting only 18,000 itself. You can claim the maximum amount of 18,000. Minimum, how much ever you want, you can claim. I suggest you do not have any bill less than 18,000 because you'll be getting that amount itself. For example, if you have any 15,000 or 12,000 bill, you'll be getting the 12 or 15,000 itself, not the 18,000. So make sure your bill is 18,000 or more than that. So how to know you're eligible to claim this reimbursement? So it's valid for few of rules. For example, for ASA it's valid, for AASA it's valid. You'll be getting a mail after you join the company. Within almost a month of time, within a month of time, you'll be getting a mail on your personal, that is your company mail in Outlook. So from that, they'll be giving the links to apply for this reimbursement, and they'll be also giving the steps to apply for the reimbursement. So no need to worry, you'll be getting the mail. After getting the mail, then you can apply. So the last and most important asked question is procedure to claim. How to claim this amount? like will you get the amount prior of buying or after? So first of all, you need to buy the things which you need up to 18,000 from your own money. So after you buy, you can buy multiple items, you can have multiple bills, that's not an issue. So after you buy the accessories whichever are needed for you, you can put that bill into the portal given by Accenture. So you can have that bill as well as as you know, these four conditions should match in your bill. So the amount which you claim in the bill will be credited in your next coming salary. So this was about the claim, how to claim. I hope you're clear with this, how to get 18,000, then what is the procedure to claim. All these points, I hope you're clear. So guys, this was all about our today's video. If you guys have any doubt, please drop down in the comment section. I reply to each and every comment, so I'll be replying yours very soon. So please feel free to contact us through comment section, or you can contact us through any of the social media sites, Telegram, Instagram. I'll be sharing the links in the description. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please share our videos as much as possible. That's the only way you can support us. So please share as much as possible. I hope you enjoyed our today's video. If you like our channel, please do stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you.